Good morning, YouTubers. This is Karasu Muhammad from the band Aeon of Ether, the guitarist. Yes. Good morning. How's everybody doing this morning? I know you can't answer back, but that's okay. Yes, I like to show you basically, something that I picked up yesterday. Well, I didn't say pick up, but I just did a little bit of experimenting on, stuff like that with this guitar. But I have right here my lovely, one of my old guitars, the Squire guitar, Fender Squire guitar I used to play with when I was a subject of the question. What I did was basically I downtuned to standard, B standard. Yeah, so basically that's like a fourth. That's basically ED, ED, C, then B. B basically is one of the lowest. So basically the way how you tune it though, it is complicated, but hey, I did my best. First things first, you got to use heavy gauge of strings for the string tension, because if you use nines and try to play B standard with nines, you're not you're not going to go anywhere with that. Right now I'm using 11s because this is all I have as far as heavy gauges. So basically you have to tune basically like so, because see, B standard basically is for like if you don't have a 7 string, so you just tune it with the 6 string. Like you have basically B, E, A, D, F sharp, and B. Sounds so dark, and it just sounds so dark when you're playing it, but you get riffs like this. Yeah, man, you can do a lot of stuff with B standard. You can use the same thing as like E standard. It's somewhat the same, but just a little bit deeper. And plus the gauge is a little bit more heavier, so you can just have fun. Yeah, man, I love the sound of this. And it's funny because I have a pitch shifter on my pedal, and funny thing about it is when you put the pitch shifter on and you put to like -4 on your pitch shifter, it kind of sound almost the same. It depends. You probably have your own sound, whatever like that. But yeah, man, this is interesting. Like, playing. It just sounds so. It sounds so dark. Just. Yes, you can still shred too if you want. You can have fun with it. Or do your little sweep picking. Just. Whatever. Even though that sounds kind of dead, but who cares? Yeah, you just have fun with it, As a matter of fact, it even sounds better on acoustic. Basically, you got the acoustic setting, whatever like that, pretty interesting, But yes, B standard. Sounds so dark. Like I said, if you can't afford a 7 string, screw it. Make yourself get a guitar that you don't need or hardly play, whatever like that, But it has to be your down-tuned guitar. You can't like just change this up because it'll mess your neck up like that. That's so they say. But yeah, man, you can have fun with this, man. It's crazy. And also, if you want to do drop A, which you have to do basically just like you do drop D, same thing. you know, you just make the B string. It's an A. You just drop it to A. You know, but anyway. Yes, this is Karasu Baraka Muhammad. Just giving you a little lesson. By the way, my band Aeon of Ether has a new YouTube page. We're gonna start doing shows. Well, we're starting our first show November 19th. So hope you guys be there, whatever like that. If you're in the New York area, is at this place called All the Shrunken Head, 9 o'clock. You know, 21 and over. You know, we'll sneak you in if you're still 20. I'm just joking about that. Don't take that literally. But but yes, yes, you know, we're posting videos of the show there on our YouTube page and stuff like that. You know, you see all of us, whatever. Anyway, let me get up out of here. This is Karasu Baraka Muhammad signing off. I love pitch harmonics on B standard. It's hot!